How's it going, everybody? Welcome to JRsCorner. Today we are talking about license plates. So as you can see, the bolts on this license plate aren't in very well. The reason being is most dealerships don't use the bolts or the threads that are supposed to be in the license plate to secure the license plate. So in this particular case, they actually broke one of the bolts that were in there when they took the plate off at some point. So today we're going to fix that, and then I got a present for both of my cars. So let me just show you here. For my my TL, we're rocking the pearl. For my other car, we're a shark, so we gotta represent that properly as well. So we're gonna get these new license plates put on, gonna get this hole fixed, and we're gonna bring you along for the ride. So enjoy the show. Okay, everybody, so let me show you how to do this. So first of all, you need to remove your license plate. Okay, and you can see on mine, those two are fine, and those two are the clip style threaded, whereas these ones are built into the trunk lid, and that one's gotten pretty rusty. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to fix this without causing a whole lot of problems, and go from there. So let me show you how to do it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do, get you some WD-40, or I like to use PB Blaster. This helps kind of lubricate it helps increase the chance of getting it to break free from the rust. So just spray a little bit of that on there and let it soak while you're doing the rest of this. So we'll let that soak in. You're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need a extractor set. It's a screw extractor set. It looks like it's about $12 over at O'Reilly or AutoZone or whatever. And it comes with these little weird looking things. I'm going to show you how to use them if you've never used them before. Pretty easy to use. Okay. You're going to need a drill with a drill bit. And it actually says on the screw extractor set what size drill bit you do need. So we've got that ready to go here. And then you're going to need one of these guys, a little T-handle for the extractor set. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by drilling a hole. What you want to do is you want to try to center your hole right in the middle of the broken bolt. We're going to get that centered. Metal shavings going everywhere. Come get a close-up of this. And we just gotta and we're through. Alright, the next thing you want to do is you want to find a you drill your hole, you want to find the bolt extractor that fits and stick it in your hole. Let's see if it'll work. Stick that guy in there, get it as far in there as you can, and then let's see if she'll bite. Nope, because my T-handle doesn't like it. Alright, so I actually switched to a different style T-handle. The other one was just a little bit, it didn't bite down enough on this to be able to get it. Just don't know if this one's going to work. not going to work. Okay, so on to plan B. That is in there good. It's not going to go anywhere. So rather than continue to fight it and risk breaking my tool, we're going to go a different route with this, because there's definitely some options when it comes to fixing your license plate holes. Alright, so other options, because that rusty bolt's not going to come out. So even though it's broken, so the first thing I'm going to show you, and this is how I'm going to fix it, is you can go down to, you know, your local parts store, O'Reilly, AutoZone, Advanced, or you name it, and you can get these license plate kits. And the license plate kits come with screws, bolts, and then these little black thingies. Okay, and that has your thread in it. So all you have to do is drill a hole big enough for that to go in, and then secure it to the car with some silicone or something so it's not going to leak and fall out, and then you're golden. I mean, it's just a license plate. It's not like you're holding on anything crazy with it. So let me show you, because I actually have these on my Accord. So let me just show you what it looks like. And let's see, switch that way. All right, so that's what it looks like. So I've already done this to this car many years ago, because I ran into the same issue, and obviously it's been painted over since. But that's what it looks like. So we're going to do the same thing to this car, and then it'll come, you know, it comes with its own threaded stuff. And you got the key for this? You just drill that out, and then we're going to drill that one out too, so that I can put both of them in and get this done right. Alright, so we got these holes drilled, and you can see there's some metal shavings everywhere, but we just need to get the holes just a little smidge bigger. Kind of work your drill bit around. You're not trying to push it too much. You just want it enough that the piece will fit in there, and you can get something to glue it to the sides of it. But be careful not to push too much, because you'll break your drill bit. Test fit this sucker. Alright. Yes, it just drops right in, no problem. Okay. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to clean this off. You want to clean it not with a rag, because you obviously scratch stuff. So I'm just going to hose it off and make sure all the metal shavings are free and clear. And then once that is cleaned up, we will put these in, make sure that they have time to dry so that they can seal good and they'll stay in place. Like I said, it's just a license plate, so you don't need to have, you know, it's not going to have crazy tension on it. And the bottoms will actually help hold the top all in, but should be able to get these put in there where they fit. And so we're going to get the metal shavings cleaned up, and then we'll adhesive the pieces in there, give it time to dry. Now, last piece I want to show you. I don't know if you got the car key on you. Camera crew's got the car key. Alright, so the last thing I want to show you we're actually going to use some of this on there. This is camper seal. They use it to seal the lids of a camper onto the truck bed so water doesn't get in. I actually use it on my license plates. I'm going to show you how I do this. I put it on the back of the license plates. On this particular car, you can actually see where I put it on some of the bumps here. And the reason for this, I actually need to take these off because these are all old and brittle. The reason I use this is it's a foam tape. It's one-sided tape that will help keep, say, your license plate from rattling if, for whatever reason, you happen to have a stereo that you don't want it to make rattle. So I'm gonna get this put on both cars and then put the new plates on, and then we'll be done. So not a whole lot to do, but it is gonna take a little bit of time. So we'll probably do some things behind the scenes and come back and see the finished product. All right. What's going on, everybody? As you can tell, it's noticeably later. And we got Bowser the black cat that's crossed my path, I don't know how many times, 5 times. It's gonna go burn itself on the light. Anyways, let's get back to this, the live action. Come on, Bowser, get away from my light. The name's not really Bowser. I know it's not Bowser. I just don't know the name of the cat. But it's the neighbor's cat, and the cat is really friendly. It has like 25 lives because it's always prowling around. Meow. All right, camera guy, here. Okay, so you gotta get this. Can't get this over there. So this is all done. I'm gonna put a picture up because it is kind of dark right now. Basically, what we did was we drilled the holes as I showed you, and then we put these in. Put some. I actually used JB Weld because JB Weld will harden and it'll be good for a long time, no matter the temperature. You can also use silicone, or I mean, there's a various number of different types of adhesives that you can use to secure those, and I mean, they're not going anywhere. And like I said, it's just holding the plate on. Okay, so the next thing is I actually like to use that the foam tape. That's what it looks like. I'll apply it on the plate, put that on there, and then secure the plate. So I'm going to get that done, and then I'll just show you if I can find the screws. I don't know if you can see that. See the bolts there? These bolts actually have a security head, so if you put like a plate cover or something like that on it, you don't have to worry about them getting stolen. Okay, so got it installed. Ended up having to use a couple of Honda 10mm bolts that I had laying around. They're kind of ugly, so I'm going to actually take them back out and paint them, just so that they're not in the way noticeable. Got the public safety license plate here for Arizona, because you got to represent fire department, police departments. They do a lot to help everybody out. So there you go. Now, some of you might be wondering, what does the foam tape do? If you have subwoofers in your car, which I don't at the moment in this car, but it keeps it from rattling. Makes it nice and clean, and it'll actually keep it so that when you got subwoofers back here, it'll keep it from vibrating and rattling. So that's what we use it for. If I suck in my belly. Anyways, so there it is with the lights on. If you remember, you can reference one of my older videos where I put in the LEDs. Hey, look, Bowser's back. Bowser, it's Bowser. Why don't you want to show Bowser? You're being such a good little kitty. Meow. Anyways, so LED lights make it look good, especially this license plate. I'm going to paint those bottom bolts so that they're blue or red, or I don't know. We'll figure it out. But otherwise, she's good to go. No rattles. I'm not going to get pulled over for the cops not being able to see my plate. And that's that. Don't hold toilet paper. Thank you for watching. If you appreciate or like or don't like or meh about the content, I love you. Hit the subscribe button. Like, share, tell the world. Don't hold toilet paper. Did I say that already? I think I did. Deuces. Oh, and by the way, Merry Christmas from my house to yours. Hope everybody has a safe and happy holiday. Bye! How's it going, everybody? I just wanted to get on here again real quick here at the end of the video and just say thanks for following my channel, liking my pages, liking my posts. I hope something that I'm doing is helpful or productive or entertaining or something. Hope one of those things applies. But do want to say thank you again. Hope everybody has a Merry Christmas. Hope everybody has a Happy New Year. Let's get rid of this nasty year 2020 that it's been, and let's make 2021 a good year. And